the user's toolset. We're giving them the ability to extract sketches and cross sections and create features from scan data using the workflows that have been tested and proven in our portfolio in our other products. And of course, we're providing the accuracy analyzer there, so you can check the deviation color map to the parts that you create within SOLIDWORKS. Now, Geomagic, of course, provides you experience you can trust. Between Geomagic and Rapidform and the other companies that 3D Systems acquire within the software, we have over 20 years of industry experience of scan to CAD solutions. We're the best out there. We know what we're doing, and we're very comfortable going from scan to CAD. This is our world. So this is exactly what we like to do, and we do it very well and use us every day. All right, now this is slide 5. This is something to note that you'll want to go ahead and modify this slide for use. Put your own scanners in here for those that use other vendors. Feel free to take a picture and throw it in there. Of course, you're more than welcome to just delete the little block there that we have there. It's editable, so you can just delete that and use what we have there. In any case, we're going to show you 2 modeling workflows: the history-based parametric modeling workflow that SOLIDWORKS users are very familiar with, and then the auto-surfacing workflow that they're not so familiar with. Now, the very first thing, of course, you can do is import, scan, or probe directly into SOLIDWORKS. So not only are a variety of scan files supported, but many popular 3D scanners can be used directly into SOLIDWORKS. We also provide tools that can fill holes, do smoothing, decimation, as well as align the scans to themselves and the coordinate system. And once you have the scan within SOLIDWORKS and it's ready to go, the workflow is actually very similar to what SOLIDWORKS users are doing today. Most SOLIDWORKS users, if you ask them, how do you make a part in SOLIDWORKS, they're going to tell you, well, I'm going to make a reference geometry, a reference frame of some sort, then I'll do a sketch, then I'll make a feature, and then I'll do it again and again and again until I have my part. It's just make a sketch, make a feature, make a sketch, make a feature. And we're going to go ahead and just plug right into that workflow because it works so well. And basically what we're going to add is this cross-section step. So you're going to take a cross-section first, and then do your sketch and make a feature, and then you repeat it until you have your model. And because of that, you're going to notice that a lot of SOLIDWORKS users wanted it, and they're going to be able to take advantage of that. Now, the other workflow that we've included in our add-in is the exact surfacing workflow. And that's, of course, being able to create this auto surface of the scan set and use that in their modeling. It's very, very simple, very robust. It's basically press a button and create an auto surface. And it's a solid or surface depending on if the mesh is open or closed. And then they can use that CAD face or that CAD body in their designs. And we'll show you a little bit of that as well. And stay within their SOLIDWORKS environment. You can save these files as SOLIDWORKS parts. It's not a different file format, so they're able to continue using the SOLIDWORKS files and their scan files inside of their system and go ahead, once they're finished, whatever it is that they currently do, they'll still be able to do without complication because we're just sitting right inside of SOLIDWORKS. All right, and with that, we're going to go ahead and jump into the demonstration of the software. We are recording this whole session, and it will be available in the sales toolkit. So if you want to look back at this, you're more than welcome to download the video there and watch it again. And the first thing that we're going to show is, importing scan data into POL or STL, or we can scan directly. I'm not currently connected to a scanner, but if you have been paying attention to our website, you see that we've added a whole slew of videos regarding Geomagic for SOLIDWORKS that shows exactly just this. So there's actually good, 5 or 6 good videos on our website now that shows scanning. It'll show going from points to meshes. It actually shows it's in lines and arcs. Great, hit check, and using a wizard, there you go. You can see that it created our extrusion. And again, everything is editable, right? Here's my sketch, here's the extrusion command. I can go back in and edit that, add dimensions, constrain it as I need it. Let's do a freeform surface here on the top. Again, using a smart select projection, so that, there we go. You can change as well how